Hey Nico, it's Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I'm taking a minute out of my day to show you one of the coolest cars on the lot, a 2023 Audi E-Tron GT, Suzaka Gray. Stay tuned. Hey Nico, guess what? I'm back again, sitting in front of the 2023 Audi E-Tron GT. Yup, really clean, really cool. You're gonna notice that Suzaka Gray is really nice. It confuses people. It's hard to believe it's gray because it looks so white. It's a really nice color. You're gonna notice the upgraded lighting right there, Nico. Really, really cool, especially at night. Looks really futuristic. I love the black accents running through the grille. I love the black rings. You're gonna notice the safety running right through the front bumper. Really, really cool, really futuristic, really updated. I love the look of the E-Tron GT, but if you make your way around here, you're gonna notice an upgraded style wheel with an all-season tire. I love the wheels. They don't look like a traditional electric car. One of my favorite features, two-tone, matches the black accents really, really well. Now you'll notice press to open right here. They left a sticker on just to show you it's really easy to use to charge the car, just like it is to gas the car. Making your way down here, you're gonna notice great body lines on the E-Tron GT. It looks like a supercar. Keyless entry on both doors. Seamless windows are really cool, especially in the summertime. You're gonna notice great body lines all the way around the car to the back. The big brake light coming around the corner. You get all upgraded LED lights, reverse lights, plate lights, brake lights. You get those sensors in the back that are fully upgraded. I love the E-Tron GT badging in black. You'll notice this one actually has a black optics package. Gives it a really nice sporty look. One of my favorite features, Nico, is you get that futuristic spoiler that pops up, which you can set manually. I really love that option. Now I'm gonna open this up really fast. I know it's snowing. You're gonna notice weather mats for the summer, for the winter, which is really cool. They come fully upgraded. You'll notice all the charging equipment's tucked in the back, and you get a nice little area to seclude the to conceal the charger just in case you're using it. Now there's 12-volt hookups back here and power tailgate, which is really nice. Now follow me this way, Nico. Really, really cool. Back here, you're gonna notice the seats are really sporty, just like a supercar. You get LED lights running through the door panels in the seats. These are actually heated seats, which is really nice. Door panels have all Alcantara suede on them. Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound. You get rear climate control access for your rear passengers. A lot going on over here. Now, if you look up, you're gonna notice big moonroof that does not open. I want to point that out because these electric cars have either a moonroof or no roof. This one actually has the roof, so I'm really excited that we actually have one in our inventory with a moonroof. Making our way to the front, Nico, I'm gonna dive right in. I'm gonna sit in the driver's seat and show you some of the features in the 2023 Audi E-Tron GT. Hey Nico, it's Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and you're going to notice a lot going on in the 2023 Audi E-Tron GT. So I just want to point out a few things. Automatic lighting, power folded heated mirrors with blind spot monitoring, easy access to the rear tailgate for open and close purposes. You get a nice virtual look behind the navigation, behind the wheel, that really changes the look on Audi. It gives you a nice futuristic feel, even with the EV. Really cool to look at. Now you'll notice heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. You get a nice leather wrapped wheel with a flat bottom, giving you a nice supercar feel. I love the big touchscreen in here. It's fully upgraded. It's got a nice haptic feel on it, so it's really easy to use, just like your cell phone, you'll notice. I love the climate control, and I gotta tell you, I've been in a few race cars. One of the cool things is this is built like a race car, wrapped right into the driver. You get heated and air-cooled seats. Everything in here is very simple and easy to use. I love how they set it up. It's not too confusing. A lot going on. You'll notice the piano black area right here with the push to start. You get the new upgraded shifter, which is nice. It's in drive right now, but if you look while in reverse, you get a nice fully upgraded camera. One of my favorite features on the car. Again, really simple and easy to use. Back to park. Now this is actually all touch motion, so it's really cool. You can mute and actually turn your volume up. All cool upgrades of the car. Now if you look to the right, you get two nice leather upgraded seats. Now you get that sport race feel. You notice the perforated holes in this nice little sport option down here, which is really cool. Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound in the door. You get this nice suede in carbon look running through the doors, giving you a nice spaceship sport car kind of feel. I love the piano black in here with the E-Tron badging. The only thing I'm not showing you is how it lit up at night it is through the LED. It's really, really cool. And I love this feature over here. You're gonna notice upgraded lighting, just like the in and out. Everything has been upgraded in the E-Tron GT, so you get a really nice look in here. Just want to show you that moonroof that I was telling you about. It's actually really cool, especially on a day like we're having today. You get a little rain and a little snow. Hey Nico, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I hope you liked the video on the 2023 Audi E-Tron GT. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can call me on my cell phone, 401-529-9919. Thanks again, Nico.